How to view assessment result in Indeed. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view your assessment result in Indeed. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. So first of all you need to do is open the web browser of your preference and on the search box type in www.indeed.com, which will then lead you to its official website. Now, all you need to do is click on the profile icon on the right hand side of the corner and then click on the profile option. Once you click on the profile, you'll end up in this kind of page where you need to simply scroll below, and by scrolling down to the end of the page, you can find assessment option. Now, you can just click on the view all assessment and then select assessment results you want to see. Or either you can just take a look at the assessment you have completed and then click on the view full score report, tap on it, and you can see the report of your assessment as your result. So this is how you view your assessment result on Indeed. That's it guys, thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.